Hi fam, welcome back to the channel. This is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy, and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm trying out this vertical recording style so that it will become a lot friendlier sa iba't ibang social media platforms. So I hope you're enjoying it as well. But if not, please let me know sa comment section. So welcome to a brand new video this week. This will be a short and sweet haul for everyone. So let's go and get started. So I have here a lot of local items na talaga namang very trending ngayon sa ating social media. And if not today, matagal na siyang nagte-trend. So I got really curious. So I have decided to buy these products and try it for myself. First, of course, makeup item. Get ready with me. This one is a Get Ready With Me Life Proof Primer Gripping and Long Lasting one. So this is my first ever primer na pangmalakasan, I can say, kasi hindi naman ako palagi nagpa-primer and hindi naman ako palagi lumalabas. So this was the primer I used nung pumunta kami ng Tagaytay during the Easter Sunday, and we have stayed under the sun for a long time, lalo na nung nagpunta kami ng Sky Ranch. Sobrang init, but I have tested it at maganda talaga yung grip ng makeup, hindi nahulas. Kahit nagkaroon ako ng parang pagpapawi, syempre that's normal, hindi niya nabura yung mga importanteng parts ng aking makeup, like my blush was still there and the foundation. So super duper happy with this one. Highly recommend if you want to try a local primer na nagwo-work. This is a good alternative for you. Meron din akong Get Ready With Me Brow Lift Max. This is my second purchase. Kasi yung first purchase ko neto was their old packaging pa, yung white. So this one is the new one. It's in rose gold. It has the laminating side at meron din siya nung grooming side. So every time I do my laminated eyebrow look, ito yung gamit ko, yung laminating side niya. Super duper useful and grabe ang grip, totoo naman talaga. And then we have the what do you call this? The grooming. So that's what I just used today. I just groomed my eyelashes. Di pa nga masyado. Eyelashes, eyebrows. Di pa masyadong maayos yung pagkaka-groom ko. Pero it's there. It's really good product. Ayan, ito siya. So this is the grooming part. Super recommend. I love this. Another one that I have used or love sa local market natin sa mga beauty would be the Lucky Beauty. Ayan, this is the Lucky Beauty Dewy Lip Stain. I used it today with a combination of my BLK universal lipstick. So, pero ang kanyang base, ito ang ginamit ko. This is Chance. I love this. And again, I'm a big fan of the packaging. It's gold. So, it's very luxe tignan. Tapos, ganyan siya. Yan. So, I love this kasi very, what do you call that? Universal din yung color niya. So, everyone can use this. And I think marami ang my favorite kay Chance. And then they have already released new products or new version ni Chance. Meron na sila nung One More Chance at saka No More Chance, I think. So, next time naman yon, hindi ko to kasi ubos. And I like it kasi it really stains your lips kapag blinat mo, meron pa din siyang stain. And then I have Careline. This is my favorite eyeliner. This is the Graph Ink liner ni Careline. Sobrang daling igamitin na eyeliner. Tapos, if you can see, basta lahat ng eyeliner look ko, ito lang ang gamit ko. So, very black siya at madali siyang gamitin. At hindi naman siya waterproof to the point na mahirap siyang tanggalin. Pero hindi rin naman siya sobrang madaling mabura, if you know what I mean. So, it's just right in the middle. That's why I like it. So, ito siya. See, Careline. Tapos, ang mura-mura pa. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. And then, of course, when you swatch it, yan. So you can make the lines thicker or thin. Depende sa gusto ninyong look. So this is very, very cheap lang. At maganda. Quality. I think second ko na din to na liner from Careline. Tapos, new discovery would be Polash. The black one. Tapos, sobra talagang kapit na kapit yung eyelashes. First time ko yon kasi for the longest time ang ginagamit ko si Nichido. And as you can tell, medyo siya. Meron siyang grip or kapit pero hindi siya naglalast. Pag umiyak ka, mawawala agad, or pag pinawisan ka, mawawala siya or matatanggal siya. Pero ito, very, very good na eyelash natin na meron tayo locally, nakaka-proud. So, ito si Polash. Ang laki na nito, so it will last me a long time. And of course, since bumili ako ng kanilang eyelashes, eyelash glue, I also tried their eyelashes. So this one is the Polash Pro, the Artist Collection, and I got the Pro C12. Medyo pangmalakasan na to, guys. So I don't recommend it for everyday. So nung trinay ko to sa mata ko, pang na siya, pang prom, pang mga events, ganon. Hindi siya for everyday. So, kaya hindi ko siya masyado pang nagagamit. But definitely, really good, siya. Yung band niya, very flexible, madali siyang ma-bend. Tapos, ang gaan sa mata. So, ang ganda nitong mga, nila. Kaya naman pala nagte-trending yung kanilang mga eyelashes, false eyelashes, ay dahil talaga namang napaka comfortable sa eyes. Tapos, so kunyari wedding, ganyan, perfect siguro ito. So, ayan, pangmalakasan lang itong si Pro C12. We'll definitely try yung mga pang everyday na eyelashes nila. Pero ito kasi ang aking nabili, akala ko sasakto lang siya for everyday. Hindi pala masyado siyang mahaba. So, I have decided to try the other one, which is the Fabulash. Isa din to sa mga favorite ng ating mga ating beauty content creators online. So, this one is the L17S. I think S is for small. Hindi ko din sure. Tapos, kung si Polash, magaan na siya. Si Fabulash, mas magaan. Parang wala ka talagang nilagay. Because if you take a look at the strip, ito medyo gamit ko na to. Ayan. Teka, pakita ko sa inyo yung strip niya. Ayan o. Look at the strip. Parang wala. As in. So, siya? Anong tawag dyan sa ganyan? Parang nylon. Pero hindi siya yung chipipay kasi I've used a lot of nylon na eyelashes yung nabibili lang sa bangketa. Yung Taiwan daw. Pangit. Stiff. Ito napaka lambot. Tapos, this is a very good everyday look. Ito, tinan nyo to. Itong mga nasa baba, yan yung mga nagamit ko na kasi medyo may itim na sila sa rim. Dahil gamit ko nga yung Polash na itim. So, ayan. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. So, isa sa mga marirecommend ko for everyday is si Fabulash. Pero if you want yung pangmalakasan na false eyelashes for big events, si Polash kayo. That's really nice. So, ito na-use ko na to sa mga looks ko dito sa aking videos. So, awesome. Yan siya, si Fabulash. So, next up naman ay ang aking cushion. So, this is the trending cushion everywhere. If you're into, like, nagsiscroll kayo ng Instagram or TikTok or other YouTube makeup gurus, ito talaga yung kanilang nire-recommend ngayon na cushion. Ito yung Skintific Cover All Perfect Cushion SPF 35 PA++++. Tapos, I have tried their beige. Ang aking shade ay beige. So, ang ganda nito. Alam nyo ba, ito yung skin cushion na hindi nagta-transfer or yung, kasi ganon, yung base na hindi nagta-transfer. I love it. Or, dumi. So, ito lang yung pangit sa packaging niya kasi it can really have a lot of yung parang tawag dyan, fingerprints. Pero super ganda din. I love it. Ayan siya. Si Skintific, I love the packaging. Tapos ganito siya sa likod. So, number 4, beige ang aking color. And then, I've tried it ulit doon nung pumunta kami sa, it has a mirror over here, nung pumunta kami sa Tagaytay. Tapos, ito yung Skintific Puff. Ay, ang bongga nito. Super duper useful. And then, of course, the shade. Ito. Yan! Sobrang ganda! And it's perfect. Shade match ko to, si beige. Pero, if you want parang a little bit brighter, go lang kayo ng one shade lighter ng beige kung morena kayo. Yan. Gusto ko nga din sana ng lighter para sa under eyes. So, hindi ko to ginagamit up until my under eyes kasi parang gusto ko lighter yung sa under eyes ko. Pero all over my face, perfect. Si Skintific. I love it. So, I'll swatch it for you. Ganyan siya. Yan. Tapos, dito na to siya lagay. Ay, nako. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo. Pero yan siya. Super nice. Diba? Sobrang, hindi niya na siya halos makita sa skin ko kasi it's a perfect shade match. Ayan. Super nice. So, kapag tatakpan ko yung mga little chismis ko over here, perfect talaga to. At heavy yung coverage na. Medium pala. Hindi naman super heavy. Medium yung kanyang coverage. Ang ganda. Sobrang lightweight sa skin. Tapos, perfect siya sa summer. Ngayong summer na, ito ang mga maganda ninyong magamit na cushion. Kasi hindi talaga siya humuhulas. Ang ganda-ganda ng kapit niya sa skin. Lalo na kung gagamitan niyo pa siya ng other partners. Like, the primer, good skin prep, yon. And speaking of skin prep, ang dami kong binili na skincare. So, may Korean at may Japanese. So, let's start with Japanese muna. My friend went to Japan parang a month ago or nung Feb. So, nagpasabay ako sa kanya ng mga cult favorite na Japanese skincare. So, first stop is the Saborino Morning Face Mask. Ayan, isa siyang pack na puro face mask. So, nakakaaliw. So, para siyang, di ba, para siyang lalagyan ng wipes, pero face mask ang laman niyan. Of course, hindi ko na mababasa sa inyo kung ano man ito, but it is a face mask like that. So, recommended ito ng mga makeup artist na napapanood ko online. So, they said na maganda talaga to when it comes to skin prep. Like, if you want to have a brighter complexion in the morning, so use this face mask. I haven't used it yet. So, I have yet to try and see if it really works. Kung hindi, it's okay. Pero meron na rin nito sa Philippines. Nagpabili lang ako sa Japan because I don't see it anywhere. Online pa lang. So, at least I have it already and we'll try it. And since addict tayo sa face mask, nagpabili rin ako sa kanya nitong Kiana Rice Mask. Ayan. Isa pa to sa mga cult favorite Japanese face mask. So, mas maganda daw to kaysa dito. Mas maganda si Kiana because it's a rice mask. So, it has 10 sheets sa loob itong pouch na to. And I'm glad na naka-ziplock siya. So, kahit magamit mo na siya, pwede mo pang, hindi matutuyo yung mask na may iwan sa loob. Ayan, so excited. So, if you guys have tried any face mask na pinakita ko sa inyo ngayon, let me know effect sa skin ninyo. So, ito talaga ay sinasabi nila na super duper ganda sa skin. Tapos, of course, since nandun na rin naman, nagpabili ako ng for contact lenses. Ito yung kanilang Roto Lychee na eye drops. Ayan. So, for contact lenses, since I use contact lens. At pag nagko-contact lens lang naman ako, nagkakaroon ng parang mga redness sa eyes. And nahihirapan akong paputiin ulit yung white ng mata ko pag nagko-contact lens. So, this is a really good one. Medyo minty siya pero hindi masyado. And I like it kasi effective talaga siya sa aking paglalagay ng contact lens. So, pag binili nyo siya, nandito siya sa ganitong packaging. Meron na rin ito online, so I'm happy kasi just wanna test it out. And of course, compare kung totoo ba talaga, original, ganon. So this is the Roto Lychee pala, hindi Lychee. Lychee contact. Ayan. Yan. Super nice. And it's pink, so perfect. Ganito siya. Yes. Ganyan yung kanyang dropper. Beautiful. Tapos, I also bought something for makeup. So, I was looking for a setting spray. I know that Get Ready With Me has a setting spray, pero I have also heard about this setting spray from Japan. So, this is the Kosei na face mist or makeup mist. Ayan, isa din to sa mga nire-rave. It comes dito sa ganitong packaging. Ganyan yung packaging niya. Tapos, ito siya. Ay, bongga! Ito yung combination ko nung pumunta ako sa Tagaytay na sobrang init. Ayan, sobrang effective nito ni Kosei. So, talagang nakatulong siya sa pagsaset ng makeup ko. Walang gumalaw sa pagmumukha ko, sa makeup ko, I mean. So, I really like this. I think this is a very good face mist. Hindi pa ako nakakagamit ng makeup mist at all. So, this is my first time. So, bongga naman yung experience ko sa kanya. I don't know if you have tried this before, but if you do, you know what I mean. So, let me know kung may mga ano pa kayo nasasuggest. But this one is a really good one. Another Japanese makeup na I bought, pero hindi siya sa Japan galing. I mean, I did not buy it from my friend. So, this is the Judy Doll Mascara. Ayan. It comes in this very thin packaging. Ayan, Japanese siya. And sabi din dito na ito daw ay transfer-proof na mascara, which is so true. That's what I'm using right now. Yan. So, hindi siya volumizing, ha? So, ano lang siya, pang natural looking lashes talaga lang siya. And it's just so pretty to look at. Tapos, ito yung mascara na it can keep my lashes up forever. Just joking. For a long period of time. So, ang ganda-ganda ng kanilang wand. Ayan. So, it's the a very unique one. They have a very unique one. Ganyan siya. Parang metal siya na may mga ganyan. Basta what you see is what you'll get. Tapos, mas maganda siya, guys. Ayan, sa lower lashes ko, nilagay ko din yan siya. Pati dito sa aking mata. Ang ganda-ganda. Hindi talaga siya nagta-transfer. Yung ginagamit ko noon na mascara, which was Maybelline. Lagi yun nagta-transfer. Pero favorite ko din yun kasi mura lang yun. But this one is my new favorite. So, if you're looking for a really good mascara na just to keep your lashes up for a long period of time, lalo na sa mga Asian eyes na ang mga eyelashes natin ay palaging pababa, I highly recommend you try the Judy Doll Mascara. Super nice. Hindi nga lang siya for volumizing. So, nandiyan naman papasok yung mga false eyelashes na you want. Pero for everyday freshness look, Judy Doll, very, very useful. Very, very nice product yan. Ayun. And then, Korean naman tayo na not makeup, but Korean skincare. Ito na ay aking repurchase. Second time ko na itong binili. This is the blemish pad. Oh my gosh, hindi ko mabasa properly. Pero ayan siya. This is their day and night blemish pad. It looks like this. Ang bongga nito, guys. Sobrang bongga. Toner to. Hindi ako fan ng toner. Hindi ako nagto-toner talaga ng matagal. Parang magta-try lang ako pero hindi ko siya magugustuhan at all. Pero nung na-try ko tong blemish pad na to, sobrang it changed my life. It changed my routine. Ibabad ko lang yan sa mukha ko. It will make my face looks so fresh and plump and hydrated. Ang ganda-ganda nito gamitin at night and before I put my makeup on sa umaga, or just to leave it as it is since work from home naman ako, hindi ako laging umaalis. Ang ganda-ganda nito, guys. So, the reason why hindi ko pa masyado natatry yung ibang mga face mask ko is because of this one. Dahil ang ganda-ganda na nito. So, we'll definitely give you guys an update on these face mask from Japan. Pero from Korea, this toner, hindi na nga to face mask, guys. Toner lang to. Pero sobrang ganda niya. I'm telling you. So, if you're looking for a good toner to use, definitely recommend this one. Yung skin ko, hindi siya perfect. If you can see, may mga blemishes pa din. Pero this has been like the best look na ng skin ko. Dati ang dami ko dito sa noo, yung mga maliliit na pimple. Hindi ko alam kung chicken skin ba yun o pimple ba yun. Basta maliliit, ang dami-dami dyan. Parang mga basta hindi siya normal. Basta parang maliliit na pimple dyan. Kasi mahilig ako mag-kiss sa aso ko. Of course, I have dogs. Lagi ko silang kinakadal, kinikiss. Yung mukha ko, napupuno ng laway nila pag kinikiss din nila ako. So, given na medyo mabacteria yung mukha ko. Pero since I've used this, I'm telling you, ang clear ng skin ko. May mga blemishes, but it will keep it at bay and it will make your face look a lot more hydrated and beautiful. Basta ang ganda. This is my favorite from Korean na skincare na na-try ko. Okay. And of course, move on na tayo sa stationery. Oh, sorry, nails muna. You know, I love my press-on nails. I super duper do. I'm a lover of pressed-on nails. So, I bought new ones. Ito siya. I'm into my Melody. So, ayan si my Melody, guys. I can't wait to use it. And I also have this cutie na may mga rhinestone. Ay, nasira. Pero yan siya. Rhinestone yan siya. Sobrang ganda. Itong sinuot ko ngayon is very minimal lang. I love it. Very coquette. Ganun. So, I love false nails. And I use a glue, yung parang gel na UV light activated na glue. Bongga din yun. And I want to try the Born Pretty one. They said it's also really good. Itong gel na ginamit ko dito, it can last me for a week or more than a week. So maybe yun kay Born Pretty, it will last a month. I don't know. Because that's what they use or what they said. So bongga yun, I want to try that. So, yun. And for my favorite haul, like the most important part of this haul would be my stationery haul. I'm into, highlighting, writing, and all that. So, I bought a mild liner ng Zebra. This is a perfect. It has 5 colors and it is two-sided and perfect to for highlighting. At hindi siya nagbe-bleed sa next page. That's why it's called mild liner. Sobrang ganda! I love it! Alam nyo ba, matagal ko nang gusto nito. I don't know if you're into parang, tawag dyan? Let's get the big one. Into stationery and school supply. Pero alam niyo ba tong mild liner? Sobrang trending to sa stationery world or study world because they are perfect. Ayan siya. Ito siya. Ayan yung other side. And this one is like a pen. Yan, for bullet journaling, for any, study-related things. Ang bongga ng mild liner. Itong Zebra, isa to sa mga top mild liners, top highlighters sa Japanese world. Ito talaga, bongga to. So, I bought it online lang. I got 5 colors na very pastel and nude. I love it. I also got the very famous Zebra. I don't know how to read this. Pero ganyan siya. Na pwede mong for calligraphy. Yan, pinuksan ko na siya. Kinip ko lang yung packaging niya for the haul, pero ganyan siya tingnan. Tapos, I got, I guess, the mild, not the mild one, the soft one. Yan, for calligraphy to. I have yet to learn calligraphy, guys. Pero, ito yung pag sinulat mo siya, merong thin strokes, may thicker strokes. Ayan siya. Zebra din to, yung brand niya. This is black ha, kahit blue yung packaging niya. Black to, I love it. And then, ayan siya. The last one is the most famous one. This is a brush pen from Tombow. Oh my gosh! Alam niyo ba, pangarap ko lang magkaroon ng Tombow pen ever since I got exposed to what do you call that? Journaling, bullet journaling. Sobra, meron naman pala tayo sa Philippines, pero online. So, I got this from the Orange app. Ayan. Bongga talaga, guys. So, para din siyang pang calligraphy. Ayan. Ano to? Para din siyang pang calligraphy. Ganyan. This is how it looks. Ang bongga-bongga. Ganyan. And then, ito siya. Ito yung pen niya. Again, pag nag-stroke ka ng magaan and mabigat, kakapal yung line, tapos mag-thinner yung line. I love it! I have yet to learn how to properly write it, pero ang bongga nitong mga to for stationery. If you are into, you know, all the jazz when it comes to journaling or writing, these are the most parang highly recommended products sa stationery world. And binili ko yung mga yan because the most important purchase I've ever done in my life is this one. I bought a Holy Bible. So this is my first ever Holy Bible NLT version. Sobra na akin, na mine. So I love this. It's very handy. If you can see, this is my hand. Ayan lang siya. Pocket size siya. I can bring anywhere. Very daling dalhin. And it's zip. Ayan. I got this online din, and it has this beautiful cover na cloth cover yan. All the way at the back. Tapos, ito siya. Meron akong stickers because I bought itong mga tabs over here for the different books sa Bible. So, I bought these tabs online lang din, and they gave me these free stickers right over here. Super beautiful. It says here, His promises are true. Let us run with endurance the race God has set for us. Amen. Filament enabled. So, may app tong book ko na to, or Bible ko na to. May app siya where you can see devotions, more understanding, para pag nagsastudy ka ng Bible, you get to understand it more. Meron din siyang what do you call this, worship songs. Meron din siyang explanation just for Bible studying. Perfect tong filament na to. I'll show you an example nung sa highlighter. Ayan. Ito yung pinag-aalala namin ni Pag-ibig. We are now in Matthew chapter 15. Ayan ang babasahin namin tonight. Pero ito yung mild liner. I'll show you. You can say. Ayan, yan siya. So, it says here, don't be afraid. Take courage. I am here. Ito nung Jesus walks on water. Ang bongga. Ayan o, hindi siya nag-bleed sa next page. Ito siya, diba? Wala siya sa next page. Kasi when I used a different highlighter, nag-bleed siya. Lalo na itong filament, the copy, itong mga pages niya ay thinner talaga siya. So, hindi siya ideal na gamitan ng highlighter na sobrang kapal. Like, when we read John, kasi we're done na with John, I'll show you. When we read John, ang gamit kong highlighter ay hindi mild liner. So, if you can see that, nagbi-bleed. O, diba? Meron siya dyan. Nag-bleed siya sa likod. Ayan o. So, ang bongga talaga ng mild liner, guys. So, if you're doing Bible studying and the copy of your Bible, yung mga pages na ay thinner, you can use mild liner. Mild liner for the win. And, of course, Holy Bible for the win. This is my most favorite purchase of them all. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my haul video. Sorry for the oh my gosh, my microphone. Sorry for the noise that you're hearing. Talagang, you know, we're living in a world where there are a lot of kids everywhere. I can't help it, so let's just deal with it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this haul. I hope you can share with me your experiences dun sa mga items na share ko sa inyo today, if ever you have tried it before, and if ever may mga products kayo dito na you would want me to do in-depth tutorial, please do let me know so I can do that quickly sa TikTok or other social media app. Ayun lang. Thank you so much. And I can't wait to see you again on the next video. Bye!